song is dedicated to Shane's blue truck, new truck, blue truck, new truck. Unlike the others, it isn't a pile of junk, paid off junk. It takes him out to the Space Coast, he spaces out in his blue truck. Keeps the maintenance up, oil changes every month or two. Truck, it's got a CD player and anti-lock brakes. It sure stops nice. It's got ejection mode through the sunroof built in the seats. A super truck, super truck. It's a super truck. That's not staying. Shane's got himself a blue Ford.